Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Toyota 4Runner. First, let's prepare. You will need a few key items: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure to have about 6½ quarts of new engine oil and a fresh oil filter ready. Always work on a level surface, and it helps if your engine is slightly warm, not hot, for easier draining. Now, let's get rid of that old oil. Safely get under your vehicle and find the oil drain plug. It's usually at the lowest point of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let all the old, dark oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil draining, it's time to tackle the oil filter. Locate the old filter, which is often near the front of the engine. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it. Be ready for a little more oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, put a thin film of fresh oil on its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten it until snug, followed by an extra 3/4 of a turn. Once all the old oil is out, replace the drain plug and tighten it firmly. Now, open the oil fill cap on top of your engine. Carefully pour in about 6½ quarts of your new engine oil. Replace the cap, start the engine briefly, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick. Ensure it's between the add and full marks and look for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.